Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the boxes and polythene bags I use for my small business. I've linked all the items in the description box. This box is called the Mini C7 and you can fit things like essential oils, bracelets, small necklaces, rings. You can fit small and large earrings in this as well. I'm going to show you how to customize the boxes in another video. This is what the boxes look like before you put them together, and this is the C7, so you just follow the lines and you bend them, and it's very easy to put together. These boxes are very lightweight, so they will save you some money on your postage. The next box is the medium DL box, and this box you can use it for medium items like necklaces and bracelets, and you can also use it for multiple items as well. This box is the C5 and this is larger than the other two. For this box you can fit large items like large necklaces, and you can also fit multiple items in this. The C5 box fits into a 9x12 polythene bag. And so you will just slide it into this, and this bag has room if you want to add bubble wrap to your packaging. For the Mini C7 and the DL box, I use the same bag. I use a 7x12 polythene bag. For the C7 box, I fold the bag over like this. So I've linked all the items in the description box, and if you've got any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.